Welcome back to the video today, guys. We are going to talk about what is probably my favorite overall lens that I'm using right now with my Lumix camera. It's definitely been the most versatile, probably my favorite, and that is the Sigma 28-70 f2.8, this lens right here. This lens is extremely sharp. It is extremely accurate. I absolutely just love this lens so far. And it is a 28-70. It's not a 24-70. 24-70 is probably another $700. So for what I'm doing, if I was still shooting weddings all the time, I might have gone with a 24-70. But for what I'm doing now, the 28-70 will do 99.9% of everything I need it to do, and I get to save the money on that. I'm going to buy some extra lenses. So we're going to be doing a photo shoot with Tashandra today. She is just an amazing model. And let's go ahead and jump into her video of us shooting the pictures. And then I want to talk about a few of her pictures. So let's get started. So the first picture I want to talk about of her is this beautiful headshot that you're looking at right now. I think that, I remember when I first met her, I'm like, your eyes are just striking. And this really brings out her eyes in this picture. I just think it's just such a striking picture in her eyes. I just love that picture. The next picture that we did on her that I really, really like is the black and white full length with a fence. I think that looks pretty cool. Everything's kind of dark behind her, and she's got that white dress with those white boots. I think that just looks really awesome too. And then one more black and white. It is shoulders up, but I think it looks very cool. Again, I like the look in her eyes. It's just amazing. So we'll put the rest of the pictures to a slideshow. So let's check those out. So anyway, guys, that is the pictures from the slideshow. I think she did a fantastic job. Back to the Sigma lens, the 28-70 2.8. You can get it for around $989, $990, somewhere right in there. I'll leave a link on the bottom. I have been nothing but impressed with this lens. It's just razor sharp. The focus is just amazing. It never misses focus. It's quiet. I've found no downfalls to this lens, other than it's a 28 instead of a 24. But for the price and the quality, can't beat it. My favorite lens I had for many, many years was the Sigma 24-105 f4 lens that I used with Canon. That was a great lens, but it was only an f4. But it was still a great lens. This one I'm getting 2.8, getting less range, 28-70 compared to 24-105, but I'm getting 2.8 instead of f4. Like I said, for what I'm doing now, this really does the job. So I think you can tell by looking at the pictures how sharp this lens is. I'll be doing more in the future with this lens because it really is turning into one of my favorite lenses. And I think the price on it being below $1,000, anytime you can get your main lens that you're going to do most of the work on under $1,000 and get this kind of quality, you're doing really good. Now this, again, is the Sigma. It's not the Sigma art lens, but it is a Sigma lens. So anyway, just thought I would throw that in for whatever it's worth. The other one that I had was an art lens, but this one is doing just fine. It weighs a lot less than the art lens. That's definitely for sure. That art lens was heavy. This one's not near as heavy. Thanks again to Chandra for taking the time to do a photo shoot with us. She just does a wonderful job on her pictures, and we'll be seeing a lot of her coming up. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about this lens, if you have this lens, let me know. Or if you've been looking at it and you have any questions, let me know, because I can definitely help you out with this lens. Anyway, I appreciate it for helping you guys out. Give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and you guys have a great day. Thank you. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.